Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love is a canvas furnished by nature and embroidered by imagination. The way to love anything is to realize that it may be lost. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. You don't love someone for their looks, their clothes, or their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. True love stories never have endings. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Grow old with me. The best is yet to be. Love is the magician that pulls man out of his own hat. To love is to burn, to be on fire. The art of love is largely the art of persistence. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. Love does not dominate, it cultivates. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. We loved with a love that was more than love. In love, there is always some madness. Love takes off masks that we fear we cannot live without. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. The first duty of love is to listen. Love is the flower. You've got to let it grow. All that you are is all that I'll ever need. The best proof of love is trust. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. There is no remedy for love but to love more.